We get asked by sellers like yourself all the time, what is the difference between a lease purchase and owner financing? Well, the major difference is the title is going to transfer at the end of the term on a lease purchase, or at the beginning of the term with owner financing. With a lease purchase, it means that we agree upon a price today. We'll then take over any and all responsibilities associated with the property, including if you have a mortgage, taxes, insurance, any and all future repairs. And then at the end of the term, it turns into a traditional sale, which will then be cashed out completely. With owner financing, it means that you're going to agree upon a price. We'll then close on it. That means the title is going to transfer from you to us. You're then going to be secured by a first position on your property. You'll essentially be acting as the bank. We'll then be making monthly payments to you for your equity with a balloon date in the future, which we'll both agree upon. And on that balloon date, you'll be cashed out completely.